cube of a number is the number multiplied by itself 4 times. So, for example, find the cube of 4. So, the cube of 4 is going to be equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is going to be equal to 64. So, the cube of 4, or 4 cubed, is going to be equal to 64. Now, what is the cube of 1,000? So, the same process. We're going to have 1,000 cubed is going to be 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. So 1,000 cubed is equals to 1 billion. It's going to be equal to 1 billion, like this. So a cube of a number is the number multiplied by itself 3 times. Now, sometimes we can find cubes, actually all the times, we can find cubes using mathematical tables. So, find the cube of a number, and the number is 1.4. So the first thing you have to remember, the cube of the number we are trying to find, the number must be greater than or equal to 1. So 1.4. Is 1.4 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. But if the number was, for example, 0.2 or 0.5, then we cannot apply this rule. So whenever you're told to find the cube of a number, the number must be greater than or equal to 1, and the number must also be less than 10. But the number cannot be a 10. So the number cannot be 10. So the number can be 9.9, 9.7, 9.99999, but the number cannot be 10. The number can be 1, 1.2, 1.7, 3.6, 3.5, 9.9, but it cannot be 10, and it cannot be more than 10. So 1.4. Is 1.4 greater than or equal to 10? Yes. Is 1.4 less than 10? Yes. Is 1.4 equal to 10? It is not equal to 10. So we all the rules are correct. So we can also write the number is greater than or equal to 1, or the number is less than 10. This is the rule that you must always follow. Now, once you check and you confirm that the rule applies, this number satisfies these rules, then we can continue to the mathematical table. So in the mathematical tables, open the cubes section. Once you open the cubes section, find 1.4. So 1.4 is actually equal to 1.40. It's the same thing. We don't have to write this 0. So 1.4 is right here. We have 1.4 here. Now 0 is right here. So we're going to draw 2 lines from those 2 numbers. So we have a horizontal line here, and then we're going to draw a vertical line here. So the answer is going to be the intersection between these 2 numbers. So 1.4 cubed is going to be equal to 2.744. Now here we have 1.46. Find the cube of 1.46. So first of all, the number here is 1.46. Now 1.46, is it greater than or equal to 1? Is it bigger than 1? Yes, it is bigger than 1. Is it less than 10? Is it less than 10? Yes, it is less than 10. So this question satisfies our rule. So we're going to proceed now. 1.46 cubed. We're going to start with this, 1.4. 1.4 again is right here. Now we have a 6. The 6 is right here. So we're going to draw 2 lines and find the intersection. So we're going to draw our first line here, and we're going to draw our second line here. So the intersection between these 2 points is the answer. So 1.463 cubed is equals to 3.112. That means if you do 1.46 times 1.46 times 1.46, the answer is always going to be this. In the next question, we have 1.468. Now, this number 1.468, the number, is it greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Is the number less than 10? Yes. So it satisfies our rule. Remember, the rule is number must be greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. So our number satisfies both these rules. So we're going to continue with the question. So you always have to make sure the number fits that criteria. Now, 1.468 cubed. We're going to start with 1.4. Now 1.4 is right here. And then you're going to go to 6. 6 is right here. Now, what is the intersection? The intersection, we'll draw the first line, is going to be drawn here. The second line is going to be here. Now, what is the answer there? We have 3.112, but we still have an 8. So for the third decimal point, we're going to look at the add section. We will find 8 is right here in the add section. In the add section. And then we're going to extend our horizontal line. So if we extend this from here to here, and then we draw this down from here to here. So whatever number we have here in the intersection, we're going to add it here. And when you're adding, always add from the right side. From the right side, we add from this side. So we're going to put the 50 here. So the answer is going to be 3.162. And so the final answer is going to be 1.468 cubed is going to be equal to 3.162. That's going to be the final answer.